Hello everyone, my name is Samil Vasudevan, register number UR15CS067. This is my fifth experiment of compiler lab where I will be explaining you about the simulation of DFA. So our aim is to simulate the concept of single pass assembler. So let's see how it works. So this is our program. In the main class, I have declared an int variable, then transition is equal to new int. This is the two-column array, two-dimensional array, and then int alpha set and then state set, then array list character alphabet. So set integer final states, and then I have declared one variable int1 of integer data type. Then in the build DFA throws exception function. Inside that I have used buffer reader. Br is equal to new buffer reader input stream reader system.in. Then it will show please enter the number of alphabets in the alphabet set of DFA. So then alpha set is equal to integer dot parse int br dot readline. Then system.out.println please enter the number of states in the set of DFA. Then we have to enter the number of states. So through state set is equal to integer dot parse int br dot readline, it will accept. Then system.out.println please enter all the alphabets of the DFA simultaneously. So we have to enter the alphabets which the DFA will be accepting. Then alphabet is equal to new array list. So for that I have used for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than alphabets dot length, then I plus plus alpha dot add alphabets dot caret of I. For int s is equal to 0, s is less than state set, and s plus plus system.out.println enter the row entries of the transition table. So it's asking the row entries of the transition table. Then for that I have again used for loop for int r is equal to 0, r is less than alpha set r plus plus. Then int1 is equal to integer dot parse int br dot readline, then transition s and r is equal to int1. This is the row and column two-dimensional array. Then final states is equal to new hash set. Then it will again ask please enter the final state of the DFA. Then when you are done of giving the inputs, enter -2 to stop feeding final states. We have to enter -2 to stop the input. Then I have declared another variable of int2 of integer data type is equal to integer dot parse int br dot readline. Then while int2 is not equal to -2, then the final states dot add int2. int2 is equal to integer dot parse int br dot readline. System.out.println final states will be called. Then DFA test function, the DFA test function will be called here. What is the DFA function is DFA test throws exception. So buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader new input stream reader system.in int state system.out.print. It will ask the enter the starting state. Then we have to enter the starting state, then give input to the DFA. Then we will give input to the DFA and your input with hash character. We have to end the input with the hash character. Then string input is equal to br dot readline. Then index is equal to 0, while input dot char at index is not equal to hash. Then only it will come inside this brackets. Then char1 of character data type is equal to input dot char at index. Then index1 is equal to alpha dot index of char1. State is equal to transition state -1 index 1 index plus plus. Then it will ask the final state after giving the input is if final states dot contains state system.out.print your input string is accepted by the DFA, else system.println the input string is rejected by the DFA. Then public state void main throws exception compiler file raw is equal to new compiler file, then raw build DFA. So let's see how a simulation of DFA works. So first it's asking to please enter the number of alphabets in the alphabet set. So it's 2. Then please enter the number of states in the set of DFA. Let's say 4. Please enter all the alphabets of the DFA simultaneously. A and B. Enter the row entries of the transition table. 2, 1. Enter the row entries of the transition table. 2, 3. Enter the row entries of the transition table. 2, 4. Enter the row entries of the transition table. 2, 1. When you are done of giving the inputs, enter -2 to stop reading final states. So we have to give 4 -2. Enter the starting state. So our starting state is 1. Now it's asking to give the input to the DFA and end your input with hash character. So our input is AABB. This is the string and we have to end this with hash character. So as you can see, final state after giving the input is 4. Your input string is accepted by the DFA. So our string AABB is accepted by the DFA. Thank you for watching my video.